What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can switch back to your personal account from business account in your Instagram. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to open up your Instagram account. So after opening the Instagram, you have to go on your profile. So after going to your profile, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So after opening the settings and activity, you have to find the option called business tools and controls. This is just like here. You have to click on this option. After clicking on this option, you have to find the option called switch account. There is a bunch of options. You have to click on this option right here, switch account type. Then you will see a pop-up. They will show you switch to personal account, just like this. You have to click on this option, first option, like here. Then you will see a pop-up. Then you have to click on switch to personal account. So after doing so, this will take some times to switching your account from business to personal. So now you can see this is my personal account. So this is how you can switch back your business Instagram account from business to personal. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.